Zero.
Well, siguro yung the biggest for ko nila.
You go first.
Saan na?
Ay, wait lang, Will. Start na kami.
Start na.
Go.
Uy, ba't tinanong yung
Makuhulog yan.
hindi nga mahulog eh. Kung papagay, hindi mahulog. Ito.
Damage check.
Depende sa ako.
Stand and draw. Right. Squirt ako ng rear guard.
Luis, ay na ba?
Right check. Go.
Ulo muna. Kanton. Pansit kanton.
No guard. Damage check. Stand and draw. Right. Cool. 15 bander. Right check. Good. Oh, this could be a problem.
Iwan niya na lang sa akin yung text yung Max. Pwede na nagawin sa kayo.
One damage.
Really fight.
Dagger. Stand and draw. Hey, ganun talaga.
3 on 3.
Right, strike.
Oh, tama ba?
This guy,
Tama ba?
CB2.
So, nandun sa mga boxes.
This guy,
Nandun sa mga boxes.
and this guy. Skill, return, +4.
Hindi, kapag dalo na may sabi, auto-put siya.
Vanguard. Eugene.
Yes, plus loaded.
Wala eh. First check, draw trigger. Power, draw. Second check, third check. Rear guard. Okay. Rear guard. 14.
Fireball. You know the fireball.
5 to guard.
8 to go.
Oh no, 10. Isa sa akin.
10 to guard, go.
14 eh.
Sure you can.
Go. Told him to take better care of this.
Right.
Wala ba akong pangalo? Wala ba akong pangalo?
Oh boy. Wait lang,
Pwede
sorry.
mag-take eh.
Sorry.
Take mo ba maburat? Tama ng drive check. Nance, ganun ba yun? Ito sa akin, di ba? Dinig niya to. Wala pa drive check. Turn it back.
Huh? What? Yeah.
Kasi may damage siya eh.
If he gets a 5 damage, his turn immediately ends, and then switch to the next player.
Oh nga, I forgot.
Sige, magpaka-selfie siya ulit.
Dito? Sige. Thank you for reminding me of that.
Wait.
Oh!
Ano ka na? Iwan. Yan talaga, nag-trigger ako.
Buhay ako eh.
Stand and draw.
Ano ba hindi ito mo
Magtatachi ka, no?
The biggest gamble.
Leon.
Guard break.
Ano ba super game? Herbie ka pala.
Activate.
Dapat it.
No. I activate this, use hold, +4 and retire.
Second hit, retire.
Guard break yan. Dive break.
Soul Blast. Plus 5. Soul Blast. Leon.
So there's no base.
There is guard break now, but no crit. But if I hit, I will retire.
All?
No, 1. For every hit, I retire 1. 30, 26, 35. Take. First, second, third check. Heal is good. Heal 1. Power to the Vanguard. Skill. Retire. Laurel skill. Rest 4. Stand. Leon attacks.
Cards.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is now 4 cards in.
There is actions.
Heal, this one, and this one.
Aware naman siya hanggang 5 damage capture, diba?
Yeah. This is 4.
No guard.
Thank God for 3 soul.
Very manly, right?
Take.
First check, soul charge. One flip. Second. Third. Power and hydro.
Dead.
Yeah, dead.
This one? Which one? This one.
Done. Go.
Oh my God.
Break ride.
Oh no. Oh no.
Draw?
Go for turn.
He drew for turn.
Oh my God.
Discard.
Both limit breaks? You heal, you ano ah. I suggest keeping one of them open. Because if you heal, you don't...
No. Procted na yun. By the time
okay, sorry.
It's fine. You can use that.
Go lang.
Procted na siya. Procted
No,
na
you're right.
Whatever happens, it will restand.
Yeah, no, just
Yes.
do what you did.
Yeah.
You already got the skill.
Power draw. Shit! Right, 18, no? Gusto mo na ba yung
Wait. Kulang pa ako ng DP. Ay, hindi. 4 na pala. Sige, go.
Fuck! Tapos na.
No,
Heal's good.
You heal, you're good.
Hindi, drive check muna. Wait for the drive check.
Oh, yes!
It's rear guard. 5 na eh.
No, you attack rear guard?
I'm sorry, you
Okay lang, no, heal's good. That's
Yes,
Power.
Gusto mo makita nung tumatay ng jacket?
Click mo ulit.
Di ba? Hindi. Kasi 21 na ako eh. So whatever happens, sino ito dalawa tatama eh. Kaya so take mo na lang yan. Para 5 damage ka na. Pag ginerd ko kasi dalawa, pwede ako mag-leon eh. Tapos paramihin ko pa yung kamay. Yung gusto mo pa mas marami yung kamay?
Good.
21 na kasi ako eh. Pwede ko i-guard to ng tutupas. Dadami yung kamay ko pag nabuhay ako.
Tatay mo siya ulit.
Oo nga, pero like 21 na ako eh. Regardless ko tatay siya ulit.
But still,
Gusto mo nung tumatay yung HM siya?
Gusto mo ba mas marami?
Ay, ano eh.
he needs more DP rear guards.
1, 2. Hindi, 4 na yan.
Oo nga. Gusto mo ba ba? Kasi pwede ko i-guard. Ito lang mawawala sa akin eh. Para may tutupas ko yan.
Kabala. Ikaw na ba?
Dos!
Tulupas.
Card.
That's not juicy.
Gotta hold back the buttons. I'm not. Siyempre gagard na yan. Kailangan niya mag-guard eh.
Wait lang ah. Sorry, wait lang. Okay.
Wala yung target.
Stand to rear.
Here. Stand yung rear.
We need to hell.
Last na yan, no?
You're with crit.
Yeah.
No. Pero like last stand
Yeah,
na
he's
niya.
not standing up again.
Wait, question. Let's say he attacks, right? And if he takes 2 damage, that means you only has 2 more life.
No, it stops at 5.
It stops at 5.
Yeah.
It automatically stops at
So even if you crit,
Stop the bleeding!
yes. No.
Turn ends.
That's an end.
Stand and draw.
Holy shit, balls.
Yes, take.
Take the next.
Instead of maglaro.
Kailangan mo maglapag-Chester.
Only Navy.
I am standing angel letter.
No, don't be. It's fine.
Retire siya, no? Sige, I will opt for the safer choice you ah. Strike.
Gusto ko tuloy magkakuha na lang ulit.
Die Kaiser Leon.
Go lang.
Bosses, magkakuha na lang ulit ako.
Call. Skill. I will return to grade 3s. 1. We, kayo lang. Turn these 2. Kaiser Leon. Uh, 34 or 38. Vanguard.
Over.
You don't know how to play fighting.
Wala.
No.
Hindi, tapos na either way. Power draw.
Okay.
Pero wait,
Okay.
magpo-proc pa ba yung on-hit ko neto? Kasi tumama eh.
What does it do?
RPG.
Pag tumama to, CB2 draw. Ay, CB1 draw.
Yes.
Yes. Dodrawan kita, Yuwa.
J my turn.
Di ba pwede? Pwede. Actually.
Kaya dapat magkaroon na ng pre-elemental na grade.
Plus 3, no?
Yes.
Dali na tira mo.
Hindi! Kailangan Dairobo ata.
Did you have left before you die?
Hindi, muligan. Ah!
Ano ba yun yung cards ko?
Right? Yes.
Right?
No.
CB1?
Choose 2 units, tapos
These two.
mabubuhay sila. Okay. Pa-check lang ah. Sure. Ah, yeah.
Kanina.
I am touchy kasi you're not a CP1 though.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Next road. No. Pasok yan. Oh, next road. Next road. Pasok yan.
Ah, okay, next.
Hindi, parang magkaparehos yung kulay. 18 here.
Kaya.
Gusto mo talaga apat yung rear? Oo.
So, sabi nag-girl ng skill.
Apat lang kailangan.
So, ubusin ko yung kamay ko para mabuhay.
Yun yung binigay mo ng skill.
Well, no, give this. Then just
Kailangan lang apat na DP.
The Dark Eye. Wow. The Dark Eye. Table drive muna.
Wala pa tong retire?
Dark Eye.
Hindi. Wala pa tong retire sa akin?
Wala. Well, I'm attacking the rear guard, so...
Wala. Actually, I just need 4. 4 lang, di ba?
Sige, 4.
ikaw ba yun sa akin?
Vanguard.
Okay.
Huh? Go.
Oh yes, the starter.
Tama.
Last count.
Yes!
Oh no!
Ay, wait lang. So ano, tatanggalin ko na to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So you draw 11.
Tama na.
Okay, sila ako.
Siyempre yan. Dapat pala kumuha na.
Jump sa is
Can I have cash?
9, 10,
Eh, sabi mo, Chester?
Tignan mo. Hindi naman pininiwa.
Sandra.
Alam niyo guys. Ay, papalo mo kaya sa
Alam niyo na?
Papalo mo kaya sa tabi? Alam mo. Ha?
W slasher.
W slasher.
Go lang.
Ay, hindi.
Medium slash.
Dimension police bandit.
I have a dimension that is red. Emo.
Ay!
Red.
Yep.
Sa break.
Wait, right?
No? Kumagana ba?
Units. DP units.
Any DP.
DP units. DP units.
Pwede ba tinawin tayo yung siya? Pwede ba tinawin tayo yung
Sino?
Laurel can stand Cray elemental units.
Ha?
Laurel can stand Cray elemental units.
Okay. Pero kaya mo i-rest Dimension Police Unit.
Ano tawag mo dyan? That is so set up, man. Damn! 4 attacks, tas magsaswap pa. Hindi, wala. Yes po.
Good side. Walang guard break.
Yeah.
Bad side.
You are, I have done
Very
my item. I am so sorry.
Delivery mo rin dyan na.
Ha?
Delivery mo rin Charlotte.
Huh?
Oh yes, Aaron. Parang yung isang picture yata sa'yo lang eh.
Sorry. It's all draw.
Mabalik. Hindi, okay lang. No, out of game. Out of game.
Yeah.
Ano yun siya? No? Si Kaya.
To drop ba yun? To drop yung dalawang yun.
Kasi siyang build. Game ba? Yeah. Two slots. 30. Yours. May alak ka.
Ang evil! What?
Okay, sure. It's what we're camera.
You ang evil!
Standing. Go ahead. With the very big number. Kill.
You ang evil!
Wag ipin.
Ako, kanina tinitignan ko, sabi ko parang gagat yun din.
Oh, is it Gato?
This is... Sorry, ako na.
That's your player you talked to.
13.
What happened?
You are.
Oh.
18 na yun.
Okay. Pause mo na Street Fighter.
May DP ka po ba sa kamay?
Pause mo na. Pwede ako magkano.
Oh God!
What happened?
Hindi, I have no choice. I have no choice eh. Magkakaroon yan. Meron pa akong apat.
Nag-hit yung lower end, Lance?
Oo!
Nag-hit?
Yup.
But
Bro?
He attacked the rear guard eh.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's gone.
18 to Vanguard.
That shit is gone. Those are all gone.
How much, right? 18 to Vanguard.
the fuck hand?
Hello, DP into Angel Feather. Yung mga last damage ko pa puro draw.
Will Tempest.
Ano mo?
Ay guys, ingat dun sa wire.
Sorry naman, sorry.
Again, ingat dun sa wire.
Ayoko na yung DP.
I am aware.
Cannot stress that enough.
Ha?
Lagyan mo na lang kaya sa board.
One swap? Sure.
Pero magkano yun, no? Ano yun? Katron?
2 swaps.
Ay guys, may kuha yung ano.
So, plus 4. Isang kayo. 19. Okay. So, plus 4. 5 plus that.
13.
13 pa lang. Okay lang. Hindi, 2 swaps siya. So, 15 plus 5.
But you attack the regard.
Attack the Vanguard.
Yeah.
So, how big is this now? 15? Yes. 16 plus. I'll engorge.
Okay.
I'll retire this. So, you can only guard with that. Or whatever.
Ay!
Nope.
Power Vanguard.
Dito mo na yung
Use
masa.
that.
Mamaya na ako yung masa.
Vanguard. CB2. Retire. 3 of the guards. Retire all of our gear. Soul Dust. What's the order of this? Retire all.
Retire all.
Retire all.
So ikaw muna
No, at the end of the battle, you need to attack the Vanguard. So first, Vanguard 36. They retire lang. Actually, I retire
Swap
later.
Laurel right back you
I'm sorry. Gusto kong
Second players pa.
Gusto kong tumayo sa
Hindi, bago pa yung kakayahan Second ko. players pa.
Okay lang. So,
Ha?
Second players.
okay lang. Same thing.
Yeah, second. Okay. Palanado ni Lanston na Chigazi trap na to eh.
Actually, I should have done it turn earlier, but that's fine. Yeah. It's okay.
But I like it better when great nature.
Yeah, may retire mga Laurel. Retire all?
You
Including my own.
I'm sorry, you
That's okay.
they're all gone. Nalapag pa naman ako dalawang Laurel in case i-retire yung isa.
Go ahead.
Sila yung GR. Oh God.
Carcinan. Baka sabihin
Bakit? I'm going to Batangas.
Sabihin na naman sa video, Angel Feathers again? Okay, I close the window. Kasalanan ko yung pag wala akong viewers.
I only play support, you know, put word support. Oy, for carry.
Oh, okay, good enough.
It's alive, it's alive.
Yeah, it's alive. Sorry.
Wala.
Yes. Be mindful.
William, bumili ka nga nung ano, yung portable na ginagano ni
Yeah, okay lang.
Wireless. Imagine it. Yung no seal yung mga top checks sa relay fight format.
Actually, Roshan talaga, ang lakas niya mong support at lakas niya mong offense.
Parang MVC Creed. May 1 point for may middleman as well for first place.
Oo, talaga yun eh. Relay game. Kaya nga, mas exciting.
Pero parang patay din ko kayo.
Robber match! It's a robber match!
Understand why it's amazing?
Just mix it up.
Because you're
But
putting all
do
that
you think no seal is good as the last? No.
So imagine
For the sec- mas maganda siya second.
First.
Not so much.
If
Kaya kanina, di ba sabi ko, ikaw mag-second player. 3 slots. Para ma-balance out mo yung team.
then
Set up eh. You have enough damage zone.
Okay.
Ang bigat na sa
22.
It's been a long time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aaron, kamusta?
Nope.
Sa kabundok yan ah.
Okay, team. First player.
Sige Lance, ano? Kita ulungan dyan. Hey Lance, when you're done with that, when you're done, can I borrow that touchy card deck just to play, just to test it out?
No problem, Earl.
I'm considering building it, but I have other plans.
Tanda mo pala yung sinabi ko.
Alam ba, kasi sinusiya pwede pumunod ng kahit
Yung
anong
grade 2 at saka yung grade 1. Kailangan borrow it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yung grade 3 at grade 6 stand by ko.
Basically, you drop them.
Basically stand up from
Sure.
It's mixed.
Yes, so don't mix it up. Ano daw, noob daw naman yung hindi daw pwede ginawa mo. Binasa ko yung wording din. Kung ano, nakalagay ko yung grade 2 no siya, pati yung grade 1 no siya. Kailangan i-skills mo.
there is...
Yung hindi natin alam yun. So ginawa niyo yung first generation. Makakagano units.
Mali ko ba?
Angel Feather lang.
Ay, ingat sa wire, ingat sa wire.
Pwede. Pwede Gian ako for Gian. Pwede.
Hindi yata pwede mag-repeat ang dalawang
Hindi pwede.
Sa face.
May exception na may coordinate.
You, what are you trying to do, GM, to set up the field of Aqua for split maps of Kanda?
Yeah, and then after that, Gian again.
I understand. No, I don't even know if I'm...
Pabaya mo first dyan.
You still need XP. 16 minutes.
No, I'm almost. Third place, oh?
So if you want.
May oil ka pa? Well... Are you looking for any cards din pa?
Yeah, was my turn. CB1, give the skill please too. 16 to Vanguard.
Hey, I watched my play.
Ikaw mo lang may gusto ka, tapos if ano, let's just talk about yung mga tayo. Magandang gusto.
Yup.
I got that one for 2K. Yung?
Okay.
Yung?
Wait, you have Murko mo?
Yes!
What else?
Wait lang, let's same thing. Yes, ingat sa wire. I have GA.
Ah, you can retire.
Sorry, I just wanna plan.
You can retire.
I have Metal Boy. I have
Retire.
Metal Boy. This is the Kings.
I miss playing. I can't retire because I forgot that you retire here.
Ano yung pang-letter mo?
Kulang ko yun. Magkamali ako.
Daijobu.
Pwede naman ito kung
I have no idea what there is in it.
Pass the turn.
Nagawa ko na eh.
Iipitin ako sa G-Break.
Letter right.
Sabi niya sa akin, do you right? I want you to run your front. Sabi tanong sa'yo, pero kung makakapag-first time hindi nag-G-Break.
Letter right. Okay, 4.
From damage on mabalik.
Because of that, the one is to you.
Ay, sorry, I have to get this
That's
out.
it, break my
Kasi nilagay mo yung bello. Ed, you're happy tomorrow.
That's it for the phone.
You're happy
So, running
tomorrow.
the, ano,
Pang-game na yun.
running the tablet.
Mga kailan sabihin na
Running the
ako.
tablet.
Tangin na sabi niya, binigay niya sabi ko, late ka na.
So the Manchester pasta, I get the macaroni.
No.
Oh, I'm not sure if it's
The
not
way
there.
it
I
goes
don't
is,
have it.
I count how many cards in hand I have. Then, that's the number of cards you will draw.
Ubus na si
Three. So you get, so you don't inherit my hand.
Nakakalaro pa ba ako?
That is in my hand. Only the card number of cards in hand. Only the number of cards in hand.
18 value.
Oh, that's it.
It's only in anime.
Oh, only the feel that you get.
Everything anime.
16
Yeah,
value.
so I can prepare the bag. But mas maganda kasi pang set yung pagiging
Oh, then GC also.
How big is that?
I want how many more.
14. There's no swaps this time.
One pa lang.
Oh, 16.
Tester.
Wow, wala deck. Ha?
You said i-deck lang lang. Is that okay?
Oh, sure.
You said i-deck pa sa good setup for ako. Then ako.
Then out.
Face mask.
I'm not sure what deck I could run against ano eh. Probably, ito yung nasa vulnerable. So you choose
How big?
that.
16 also?
Again guys, it's a
4 swaps and 2 triggers.
makulit lang talaga.
Sinimulin nila?
17. Atan 7. 27.
Puro ako mo gear. Yung dalawa lang yung pinaka-vulnerable eh.
Count na. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ano? Sorry. Medyo tama.
You enjoy the gameplay ka din.
Meron tayo 4.
So, ayun.
4 cards. 4.
Sige.
Then draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand.
Yeah, sure.
Ay, wait lang. Ganun ba yun? So technically, plus 4 yung sumunod sa'yo. Plus 3. Plus 3, then stand and draw. So plus 4.
Right.
Yeah.
Ilan damage? 5. So,
Wala ka siyang bawas.
The moral setup is real.
Angel Feathers good naman.
yeah. Actually, I have to let myself.
Ingat ah.
So, I know.
Wire.
9. That's it. 9 king gorge. Alright. Right.
Wait lang, UI na yung cards mo sa deck. 4?
Lawan.
Ano yung deck?
12. Card.
My guard.
Yes.
Take mo na lang.
Mag-take out naman.
Take mo na lahat.
Power band.
7.
Mas yan.
Oh my God.
Ayun. Tatlo.
Plus 9.
CB1.
Yeah.
Ay, gago, tatapusin mo na.
Ayun yan. Natanos yan.
Tandaan nyo, pag
Oh, Jim, no more lamp.
Yuwa, guys. Pag na-deck out
Tatayo
yung
ba?
player na hindi
Fort na
pa
yan?
aabot sa isang damage.
Right.
Fort 6, na-deck out kasi yung damage.
nice.
Hanggang 10 damage na yung tayo.
Ganun ba yun? Okay.
Yeah.
Sige.
Ano yun?
Pag na-deck out siya, let's say, example, 7 damage siya, na-deck out siya.
5, 6.
Yung third player, hanggang 10 damage na lang.
Oh, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Pressure's on you, ah.
Plus 10, plus 10.
Take mo na.
1, 2, 3.
Retire mo.
No.
Hindi, isa lang.
Retire mo.
Gusto na itong pinili.
No, guys. Sayang, binalak mo tapusin dun, no?
Ilan hand cards natin ako?
18. So 18 cards siya.
Plus 3, 21.
14 plus 4. Plus 3,000
Just realize, tayo 14 mo yan, si Kuyomi kung siya yung sa ikalawa, third player. Ilan na yan?
Yeah. Then, actually, patay yung mga miss.
Mag-blue plus 3.
Plus 3.
Siguro naman.
Oh my God!
So, Oracle ka na. Standard sa Oracle Tingtad yan eh.
Lord. So good. Oh, ano problema mo?
But when that's done, I'm not gonna retire anyway.
Boy, hanggang 3 ka lang ha.
But you know,
G-break ka na. G-break ka na.
it's only meant for 1/3.
G-break na ako na. Oo, G-break ka na.
10 hand cuts.
G-break marami.
Never mind.
Or if I want, I can take. I can
Sobrang mali
I
ginawa.
can separately just spread and then touch.
Oh my God, anong tatanggalin ko?
Or I can use the cup.
Hindi, the problem kasi yung sa gratitude dogma talaga, ang laki ng minus eh.
Hindi.
Tapos
hindi.
hindi pa.
Ay, daming hand. Yan ang problema. OTT yan, OTT.
Pangmalay! Na-take out ka sana. Lol.
Alam mo, OTT starting at 18.
Oh, ew!
Ganda nun ah.
So bawal ka mag-heal? Ay, hindi, pwede. 7 din siya.
Same
Basta hanggang 10 lang siya.
How much damage is he?
Pretty that cool. Where did that cool come from?
Natalo si Yoda at 8 damage eh. Normal siya.
Hindi, 7 lang to.
7.
Hanggang 10 ka lang.
Hanggang 10 lang.
Bakit ang ganda lang?
Kasi natalo si Yoda 7 damage na take out siya.
Then,
Kasi pag na-take out ka,
yung
consider
plus 3
all
damage na.
plus yun. Parang nag-limit.
Gets mo ba? Ang damage mo kasi pwede take 5-3-3. Hold true pa rin yun regardless kung ilan yung damage na namatay. Vanguard.
And let's say natalo, na-take out siya.
Unless mag-heal ka, syempre, good yun.
Ano yun? Kasi parang tinig ko.
No heal.
7 kami.
7. Tanggal na.
Pwede mo na sa
Oh, sige.
Yung last damage ko sa Masiya.
Oh!
Hindi na kaya. Ay, pwede kasi resolve all
Trigger.
or resolve all skills bago mag-entry.
Ilan na? Wait, bilang. 9.
One more. Wala ka makuha.
26.
Wala.
Hanggang 11 ata mo, di ba?
Hanggang 11 siya. 26.
Pwede kasi nila eh.
No. Nag-heal siya.
Okay.
As in, you guys didn't deck out.
Okay.
You guys reached that step, do the damage.
Good point.
Iwala na kami sa'yo, Louie.
No pressure sa Vanguard. Resolve all skills as much as possible. So parang automatic na GP lang. Next, no. Don't interfere like that.
Big video of Yes. Of course you won't see it now.
Mamaya meron ko makikita ang kamay ni Lex. Hindi ko alam.
Oh my
Hindi
God.
ko siya na malakas sa camera. Na-record. Fuck. Oh shit. Someone's fucking to this shit. Kaya ka
That's
naman
two.
ginagawa namin. Ano ba yan? Ay, yung may download nyo nila.
William, you can cut out the sound naman, right? And replace it with music.
Yeah, but I don't not want to
Yung kaya pa rin ang combo natin. Restanding Vanguard into re-swapping into damage swapping Vanguard into Vanguard.
Dapat finish
then
yung
you force to be
nilagay ko.
It's more fun hearing the reactions of the people.
Yeah.
16
Dapat
was
finisher kaso ano eh, apat yung green tree ko sa kamay. Cards in hand 8, tapos apat green tree. Christ.
Anong wave yan? Third. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, pagka-draw 4 pa lang. Nasiyan. I'm good.
Pwede ka pa ng apat.
I don't need the other 10 cards yet.
Just joking.
Kaya ako yung tumatama ko.
Yeah! Cards in hand, don't bother. 4.
Kailangan mo na siya. Cards in hand 4, card with 1. Cards in hand 10.
Oh, magandang finisher yun, Nosier. Ay, yung muna, ano ba tama lalo na pag hindi Nosier. Pero pag Nosier, oh my God, no.
Hindi, kailangan mo makuha. Kung meron ka na siya sa kamay, dapat mo makuha.
26 na R2.
Go see the skills.
Tinanggal na lahat ng Angel Feather. No-OC!
Okay lang.
26.
OTT, draw more!
Power. Draw. Power. Heal.
Yung parang paano na
Sige, okay lang. One damage.
Ang purpose ng OTT para mag-draw na marami. Pinadraw mo siya na marami.
Anong damage na yan?
26.
Dapat hindi ka ano.
26.
Dapat siya siguro na po.
Tatayo pa. Yes.
Chester.
Dapat yung
How many cards in damage?
7 nga.
dapat ginigawa ng
Or
Chester. How many cards do you have?
He now has 7, he can only take up to 10.
26
15 to card lang.
Ako yung ginagawa ko ng deck ko, kaya ako, and flip plan yan, kaya ako na.
Ganun ginawa namin kanina.
Kasi di ba yung pinaka-super
Pero si Patrick, wala siya yung katip. Sabi niya maglabas siya ng sakto din. Ako na lang na sa
whatever you're in.
Paddle kami ni Larry na dyan. Andre, spike ka.
Diba sa bus
Sorry? No. Back row is skill plus 5 and it can hit from the back. Tapos GB3 it can retire. You're the on stride
Kami
effect.
at saka namin counter dyan. Actually, ako lang taga-puno na pili. Nag-GP ako eh.
Scan ulit, baka ano eh. Scan ulit.
Sabay. Baka mag-iba.
Tapos yun, unhit all damage. Tapos,
Scan ulit, baka nakalimutan mo.
nakalimutan ko si Rosel. Tapos yun, soul pa, kapal ka pa. Pagkapak ng Spike Brothers.
Circle Magus.
Gano'n ka lang heavy regalo?
Gano'n ka lang?
22. Yes.
Personal.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
Kaya, dapat magpurang may Melanian, sakat sa ulo ng Melanian. Pero pag naubos mo naman stride niya, safe ka niya.
Save ko na may crit yun, no?
Kaya nga, domino ako. Si Tabas, mga 8-0 ha.
Please, do a move. Ayaw ko mag-8 na katagal-tagal.
Wait lang.
Iisip kasi ako.
William.
I have no choice. I will not edit that out.
William. Huwag mong madaliin. Kung ano, lagay mo na lang na dead time, kung ganunin yung player. Naglalaro ko.
Yeah, we can do another one.
Oh, sure. Just pay for my At saka, yung uploading lang talaga yung problema ko eh. Naluloko lang eh. Bagal-bagal yung internet eh. Ba't ano ba internet mo na? Sky broadband. Okay na sana ako nag-upload ako, nakaka-internet ako eh. Pero nag-set up ko yung Sky broadband na parang system na every time nag-upload ako, mabagal na ang internet.
Sa million na
Yung download speed.
Gano'n ka lang eh? 25.
Pero kung nagda-download ako, okay lang naman. Nag-browse ako ng internet.
Iba kasi yung upload speed and
Oo. Eh, dati naman.
Tabs mo naman. Setupin mo lang. You are at, wait lang. Reminder Louis, 2 damage na pwede mo i-take.
Lord lang, boss.
Okay lang.
How much cards does he have in hand?
Si Louis marami. I think at least 14.
9.
Good.
12, no?
Isang ganyan. Tsaka may take pag namamagana sila.
26.
Plus 10, plus 10.
No, Tabas.
Tabas.
Impartial ako eh.
Ba't nasa likod?
Hindi, tama yun.
Ha?
Ay, may space ito.
For the draw.
All effects.
Oh, no!
24 na yun.
Uy! Nandiyan na!
Ano yun?
Oh my God!
Chill.
Ilan yan?
24.
24 with crit.
Ito, tapos pag kumain.
26 with crit.
How much damage do you have?
26 with crit.
Oh my God!
Tama. Sige.
22.
No crit?
No, crit. Ito once. Wait, damage check muna.
Hindi, yan.
1,
Yan ah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.
Sana lang.
Sana lang.
Jose Lambros.
my God!
Cards in hand. Ilan?
Wait lang. 4, 6, 8, 9. Ang cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ano pa na next? Ano mga natin ulit? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Sa pagkakita sa push yung
Medyo It's fine.
You're doing, I believe in you.
Pwede ka naman mag-heal. I'm on the floor, Alex! I'm on the floor!
open na dito.
Thank you, man!
Oh my God!
Lan siyang lang bro, so ano yan?
Wala na. Kailangan mo yung strike niya kung ilan.
Dalawa.
Dalawa na.
Ano yan? Blitza.
Hindi. Ano yan eh? Aristotle tsaka Tidal Bore.
Alam eh.
Pre!
Ako sila kamay mo.
Kunin mo na yung Laurel ko, dali. Kunin mo yung Laurel ko, dali.
Baka Grand Blue.
Hindi. Kunin mo yung Laurel ko, dali.
Kaya mo kung may Grand Blue sa...
Sa maubos si Lupino Kamay.
Gusto ko gawin.
Babalik yung iba.
Una isa no? Negro Boys. With Shadow ba? Isa na Shadow Paladin.
Yes, yes.
Ang ganyan namin.
Imagine mo, Negro Ball ka pa rin.
Gym by damage.
9. Pwede siya mag-heal.
Ang road special ko, pag nagalo sa isang player via Gladios or na-deck
You can take 2 and 1.
less damage dun sa equal
If you take 2, you dead.
Gets ko. Sige, go.
You can take 1.
Heal again.
Yung next player, dapat 3 damage na pwede matanggal.
Damage count?
Kung ginawa ulit ni Glenn yung
Dalawa
skin
pa.
niya.
Ganun pa rin. 3 damage lang hindi pwede tanggalin.
Mali yung mga
Tapos ginawa ulit ni Glenn yung eh.
Balik ganito, let's say,
Chill,
first
chill.
opposite
Chill
player,
na.
Gladios.
Pre, hindi to official.
Hindi, medyo natin
So next player,
Sige, what
3
more
damage.
draw?
Next
Oo,
player,
sabi sa'yo, dapat pinato mo eh.
So, medyo may clutch rin ng win condition ng next round.
Yung ano na.
Kaya always pack LJ.
Si ano? Yung Lozenge.
Balik mo na sa deck eh.
Para mag-counter lang sa deck yun.
Babalik din ka sa deck. Okay, I wasn't serious. You could have
Kung
gotten
magiging
attack.
official tournament kaya,
Ganun na
mag-LJ ako eh, parang sa mga joker.
Or the
Tsaka,
Great 3 seconds right next turn. But
Oo.
it's okay. Wait.
Bakit dyan? Hindi. Circle Mingus has to put it on top regardless.
Doesn't like, bakit behind touchy?
You check if I'm on the camera.
Sure,
Yes,
it's fine.
you are.
He's got this.
Most of my face.
Ano gagawin? Lauren Mingus.
Nakalimutan.
Papatay kita pag nakalimutan mo eh.
Yung mga pwede mo deck.
Okay.
Ilan? 32.
Or 3.
Okay. Sige. Sige.
Oh shit!
Title. Tatlong title na niya lumabas. Go, floating. Ano yan? Bakit siya si Pam?
Isa na lang pwede may take, di ba?
Oh yeah!
Oh my God! You can't go!
Oh my God!
Oh!
Ganda na? LOL!
Glory with glory, correct?
Oh my God!
Last damage naman si Louie.
Oh.
Pray for a heal, sir!
Sige, wala.
Good job, Omega's na skill.
Global Megas.
Actually,
May crit to. Wala.
wala.
Wait lang.
18. 18. Ay, hindi. 16 lang.
9.
Okay. 11.
Yan 11 ha? 9K booster yan.
Hindi, pag less yung ano.
Plus this.
O, sige.
Get guard.
Ay, may Lark Pigeon ako sa studio.
So, heal you win.
Disable than Lord, di ba? No win. All effects. Heal!
Oy!
Isa pa. One more
Isa pa.
Lozenge.
Isa pa to.
Fuck you! Of course, Glory Despina.